Hello everyone, welcome back to my new another vlog. So guys, now we are going to uh, best favorite city in Northeast Assam in Guwahati. So guys, you can excited to see their location view, what virtual and everything everywhere in the location in Guwahati city. So you can excited to then let's go now ourselves in Guwahati in the market city. So let's start and go now ourselves and see there is beautiful and wonderful glades and tell me someone how much are looking for these flowers. Let's and say please how much the look. See, wow, wow, look, guys, look, what a beautiful. And how much are looking for in my video and view. Someone tell me my in comment box this video. Uh, look and how much for this and how much the like and backside look how much the wow and line by line boss and curve and inside the sea location view wow and there wow and backside there is our friend my glove and going now again in the verse there view and inside the view most wonderful and nowhere and it's the river and what is the now we are ready to go for in the photo shoot. So guys look how much the like now going to sorry this for but ready to go for there. Thanks for the watching this video and coming soon later.